That's a write-off?
Yeah.
Do you even know what a write-off is?
Yeah. It's when you buy something for your business and the government pays you back for it.
Oh, and who pays for it?
Nobody. You write it off.
Who writes it off?
I don't know. The write-off people.
I'm sure there are a few of you out there who can relate to David and his confusion on what a write-off is. A write-off is simply an expense that can be deducted from your business revenue, which in turn will bring down your taxable income. Basically, a write-off allows you to pay less in taxes. But there are certain conditions that an expense has to meet to qualify as a legitimate business expense. The IRS can audit a business at any time for suspicious behavior, and if they discover that you've been claiming deductions that are not valid, you could be found guilty of tax fraud. That's obviously not the best outcome, so we're here with a few tips to help you decide what you should be classifying as an expense. The Internal Revenue Services, or more affectionately known as the IRS, simply states that business expenses are the cost of carrying on a trade or business. In order to take deductions, your business must be for profit. Again, straight from the IRS, to be deductible, a business expense must be both ordinary and necessary. The keywords there are being ordinary and necessary. Ordinary is referring to your business in particular and what trade you partake in. Is it ordinary for a printing company to write off a trampoline? Probably not. But there is a high probability that ink, toner, and advertising would be ordinary for that business. And necessary doesn't mean it's indispensable. You can deem items as necessary that are helpful in conducting your business. These items should also be acceptable for your trade. Although a trampoline may help you hang up your outdoor signage, it's not necessary. A ladder, on the other hand, would be very acceptable. By keeping these rules in mind, you'll be able to know which expenses qualify as a business deduction, which will not only help you during tax time, but also to avoid unwanted audits from our good old friends at the IRS. And per usual, we always suggest talking to a tax professional if you have specific questions regarding your business. Keep an eye out in the coming weeks for more information on deductions, categories, and how you may be able to take specific deductions if you're new to working from home. Until then, keep those receipts, and we'll see you next time on Homebase.